Hey Young Crocs viewers, subscribers, it's your boy Odane coming to you again with another live video. I want to give you some update on what's been going on with me and the stunt world and the bicycle world. You know what I'm saying? What's been going on, why I haven't been riding my bicycle as much as before, and why I haven't been doing much on YouTube. Alright, first, my bicycle is not riding at the moment. It's not in any riding condition at the moment right now. The 20-inch bicycle, it's rideable and everything, but it still needs some tuning up. That's no excuse for me not to ride it and do whatever. You see me? Second, my 26-inch bicycle need a back hub. So the back hub has been ordered from last week, and it take 2 months. No, my back hub has been ordered already, but it take 2 months. It has take 2 months for me to get it, but now the hub is actually in Jamaica right now, and my friend Man of Steel, one of the BMX stunters, ordered the hub for me, and it take 2 months before him could get it. So now it's here in Jamaica, and yeah, I start about the live so you guys can more understand what I was saying and thing. So anyway, shout out to I don't know how to pronounce this, I don't know how to pronounce the name here. I don't want to mess it up, but the last name is Lee. Lee, big up yourself. Yo, stunter. Lee, big up yourself. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So I've ordered a hub for the 26-inch bicycle, and it take 2 months before it reach Jamaica because of the whole COVID thing and whatever. I'm gonna explain myself quick and fast. You see me? The whole COVID thing and whatever make it take 2 months to reach Jamaica. So now it's in Jamaica, and one of my friend Man of Steel that ride a BMX stunt bicycle, him ordered for me. You see me? So now it's with him. So now I need to link up with him so I can pay him the rest of the money, get up from him, and then put it in the bicycle so I can start riding again. You know what I'm saying? So right now the reason why I'm not riding my 26-inch bicycle is because of the back hub. The back hub is shaking really badly. You know what I'm saying? If you go back to our previous video, like when we was in town interviewing Tyreek, the video that we was interviewing Tyreek, Richie was interviewing Tyreek. If you see how that look man back wheel was shaking, that's how my 26-inch bicycle back wheel is shaking right now. So I can't really ride it too hard, and I can't do enough of my stunting. You know what I'm saying? Until I get the hub and replace it with the old one that's in it right now. Then I can start riding and doing whatever. You know what I'm saying? So till that time, you guys will be seeing like more bike vlogs, maybe. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to try and get some of the young crocs them, some of the stunt youth them from in the area to do some stunting, or to maybe interview them and show what them can do. You know what I'm saying? So you viewers can see it also. You know what I'm saying? And enjoy what they can do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, enjoy stunting and whatever. So I want to give a shout out to Surfer, aka Delo. You know what I'm saying? Give a shout out to him. And give another shout out to Richie, aka Short Boss, aka Pink Boss, aka Virgil Odane. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I want to give a shout out to Raj Bike Life. Yeah, Raj Bike Life. You know what I'm saying? And each and every stunt crocs that ride bike and stunt bike. Like for example, Bike Life Chris. You know what I'm saying? Tribe Stunt, Sly Stunt. You know what I'm saying? And much more. You know what I'm saying? And I also want to give a shout out to Unsaid, big up yourself. Seaboot, big up yourself. Darkness, big up yourself. Daylight, big up yourself. You see me I say? So it's Daylight Stunter on Instagram, big up yourself. Darkness Stunts, big up yourself. That's on Instagram. You see me? Unsaid Stunts, big up yourself. That's on Instagram. Seaboot Stunt, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So every stunter in Jamaica, big up on yourself. You see me? Enough ratings. You see me I say? Yeah, man. And all of the young crocs them from Richmond Park that link up at evening time, stunt and practice and do whatever them do. You see me? Big up on yourself. Every young crocs, every stunt crocs will link up at evening time and stunt them bicycle and enjoy themselves, you see me? And keep their mind active and them muscle active, big up on yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man. YGR Bike Life. Up D Star, YGR Bike Life, big up yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man. So everybody, big up on yourself. Each and every subscriber, big up on yourself. So this video was brought to you by Sapphire, Motel. So if you and a spouse or you and a girlfriend and a boyfriend link up and want to have on your own time and want to have no free time and want to do whatever, when you can come at Sapphire Motel after Waltham, between Waltham and Chisholm, right at the corner right there. So when you can come over to Sapphire Motel, you know what I'm saying? Tell them say D-Star send you, you see it, and them can start with a package deal for you. If you don't want to rent the room for the whole night till the next day, you can get that upon a price. You see me I say? If you don't want a room for 2 hours or maybe an hour, you can chat to them, tell them say D-Star send you, and them can sort out a price package. You see pre? Yeah man, so big up on yourself, you know what I'm saying? Enough ratings, enough respect, enough love to each and every subscriber. You see me I say? Yeah man, bicycle soon come back road as soon as I get the hub for the bicycle from Man of Steel. I'm gonna put it back in at the bike and put it back in at the back wheel and settle bicycle and start skate bicycle again, start stunt bicycle. When I get wholly more content, this is make me more active and make more frisky again and all that. Cause I know the other day I take out my bicycle and I ride go Ugly Park Road. This is my pan my 26-inch bicycle. And I tell you that this is too long. I ride it for about 2 months. I ride my bicycle for. I'm gonna go on it back for the first time. I'm gonna go on my bicycle for the first time. For 2 months where I never ride it for. You see me? And I tell you that the bicycle feel weird, I tell you. The bicycle feels so weird that I feel like if I try to do no stunting at all, I feel like I go over and drop. You see me? But you don't know say that can't stop with drop, can't stop it from do what we really love. You see me I say? Cause as you know, I am not the best stunter in the world or in Jamaica, I'm not the best stunter. Me personally only do what I love to do and do what I can do. You see me? For keep me active and keep me going and all of that. You see me? Cause if you notice, you know, every one of my video them, I hardly do stunting night. You see me? Me is more like the camera personnel. You see me? And them thing there. I like for ride for enjoy myself. If you get me I say. I like for but don't like for ride for say yo me are the best or me are the baddest or you see me or I'm better than that person there or whatever. I like for ride and enjoy myself. You see me? So you see my dear, as I explain to you in one of my other video them, the reason why me ride bicycle, I have to take certain things off of mine, I have to take certain stress off of mine, you see me? Because if my day not go so good and certain things not go so good for me, I take out my bicycle, go on the road, go and ride, go and stunt or do whatever, you see me? I suck up me all the meds up here, so you see me? I suck up me meds my mind. You see, take up my bicycle and go there go ride, link up with Richie and Surfer and just go ride and build a vibe, you see me? Me and them reason about life and them thing there, you see me? I suck up me meditate and me all our vibes. That's the reason why me ride bicycle and enjoy myself, you see me? And you're not too big for ride bicycle, know that. You see me? Because all the people been and say, yo, you're a big man, no, brother. You're not done with bicycle yet. Brother, bike if you ride now, you know. You see me? You have a low bicycle now, might and ride bike. You're a big man now, brother. Left them there to the look boy them. I'm telling you this. I'm not busy what you want to say. You see me I say? Me ride bicycle because me love bicycle. And me love bicycle because it get me to do the positive thing and not the wrong thing. You see me? Because if I never did ride bicycle, my friend, I would have do different thing. You see me? Because my mind would have tell me, say, yo, I'm to your brother. No boy can't give no tough chat, you know. I'm to you, a bad man. Because right now, most of the youth them when I ride bicycle or not have nothing to do, them are bad up themselves and I smoke weed and the weed and mad them. You see me? Most of the youth them right now, when I ride bicycle or not have nothing to do and them are burn weed, I eat a mad them. You see me? I eat make them feel like say yo, them are iron or them are steel and them not afraid of nobody. You get me? So me I say is that riding a bicycle, get comfortable, you see me I say do what you want to do, you see me, and all that. You see free. You see me? Lee, big up yourself. Lee say big up myself. Yeah man, big up yourself too. Big up the whole on yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man. And also, you don't know, Chops Water Store and Party Ice. Okay? Chops Water Store and Party Ice. You don't know, so we outside like all the time. You see free? Yeah man. Is it? Yeah man, party I say if you not keep no farmer event or nothing and want party ice, just contact me, Zebri. Yeah man. Don't tell nobody, you know, just contact me. I'll come get ice delivered to you, venue. One go free delivery, Zebri. Yeah man. You see it? Yeah man, so we outside, I don't know. I'm gonna show you how Sapphire Motel stay. See that? What do you about to go on? Alright. I'm show you how Sapphire Motel stay. So when you dip on the wall tam, when I go turn in or I come to the gate here. So when you come at the gate, the host for the place, I go buzzing in, when I buzz in, when I drive in, you see me I say? And I go around there, I go park. When I park wherever I want to park, you see me I say? And then I come back to the office now, start business at the office. You see pre, so when I drive in, when I come back to the office now, when I start business, when I choose whichever room I want to choose, you see me? And then when I just do whatever I want to do, because I don't know, every room having AC, every room having a big screen TV with Netflix, you see me I say? So, you know, time here is endless, you see me? When I do whatever I want to do, and all that, it have a shower, bathroom inside of the room, having one shower and bathroom, you see? So I just do the right thing. You see pre? So yeah man, don't know. So that is outside on the wall tam. That is outside on the wall tam on the gate. Automatically close when the so you don't know that go already. You see pre? Yeah man, I never want a video go so long in the dark, but you don't know when I communicate with my fans them is like I don't want to don't talk. My might seem like I chat too much. You know what I'm saying? But more go on as much information as possible so you can know what go on and understand what go on. You see me I say? Yeah man. Yeah. Alia Bignal. I don't want to pronounce the name wrong, but it's a no, Alia, Halloween Bignal. Big up yourself. Sorry about the mix up right there, so. You see me? Halloween Bignal. Big up yourself, fam. Just Star, the dog said Just Star. A D Star my boss. So you go still, cause everybody call me all sorts of names. Some people call me D Star, some people call me 3 Star, some people call me G Star. You see me? Them call me all sorts of star. You see me I say? So you don't know say star can never finish and can never end. Cause the amount of star in the sky, there's an unlimited amount of stars. You see me I say? So no matter what kind of star you call me, I just search it. You see it. Don't know things it. Yeah. So yeah man, we outside and thing. You see? Big up on yourself, everybody we tune in. Big up on yourself as always. You see pre? Yeah man, I don't know, so we outside like all the time. Alright, so yo, we're not keeping it too long, so you don't know. Thanks for watching another video with Odane D Star. Thanks for watching another video with Odane D Star. You see me I say? Peace. We're out. So share this with all our friends and family and social media crew, link up or whatever you want to call them. You see me? Yeah man, just share that video with them. You see it? So peace, we're out. We link again.